Welcome to our channel. Any Google Map location, how we can update for regular updates is more important. So what are the criteria you will be promoting here? Any particular service you are promoting, any particular page I have to attention. So first of all, I'm attention one particular page is called. I have to what are the service I'm promoting here? That page I'm highlighting for particular location. So this is my particular location. So I'm selecting my Google Map location. Here, click this here, see my or complete my profile. After click, what are the updates you can done by everything? The select will be here, add update. Here will be selecting in this option. After that, what I'm promoting everything, here is the compulsory important. Add the content. So which is you can click here. It is convert into my website link. In this, select my photograph. Which photograph I have to show into the customers. The photograph you can design will be using Canva. I can design it the properly designed by imager. After that, crop your particular image and click it and click for post it. After posting this image, simply done your post your update. The update is once done. Immediately you are selecting will be add post option. Go to photos, select your particular photo option. Which photo are designed, select the particular photo and make it done and check your particular photograph. So this update you can regularly you can check it here. Any reviews you will be received, a new or old. Compulsory you can click for given by the thank you for valuable feedback. So these are the updates are important to your particular map will be showing to the particular audience itself. If any further question about Google Maps, please contact our channel and definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.